What's going on, you guys? For those of you who do not know me, my name is Devin. I drive a 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe rspec. It's got the 2-liter turbocharged engine in it, 6-speed manual transmission. So for those of you guys who have a 2.0 turbo, I'm going to show you a little trick. It's basically, if you ever wanted that flutter sound that a lot of people get with the the big turbo Supras and the Skylines, big precision turbos and Garrett turbos and all that other good fun stuff, I'm going to show you the trick to get that flutter without putting a block off plate on your car. A lot of people go and buy the block off plate, but I'm going to show you a simpler way to do it. So first, I'm going to do a pull with how my blow off valve sounds now versus how it would sound after I do this little trick. Roll my windows down a little bit. Oops, sorry about the finger in the way. I suck at recording. And check engine light is because I'm not tuned yet. Alright, so here's how it sounds. Excuse how dirty my car is, I work in concrete. Let me get on the main road. First thing we're going to do, pop the hood. Now if you have aftermarket blow-off valve, could be the same way as mine. If you have it routed from here to there, you just take your line, whatever line's feeding to your blow-off valve, you want to take it and pinch it like this. And I usually shove it in right here. Like that. Let's go for a pull. All right. See if it works. This is how it should sound after you do that. Roll my windows down. Up. Do it one more time for you guys. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Devin_BK2. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube if you're new, and I'm going to drop this video right after this.